And I'm the General Manager of TRACAL Labs, which we calibrate and repair test and measurement equipment, including electrical, physical dimension, temperature, high voltage, etc. Due to World Metrology Day, I'm going to be talking to you a little about why you measure and the integrity of those measurements. Why you measure? Essentially, let's look at it in a easy cooking method. If it says to put in 1 teaspoon of salt and the teaspoon is actually the size of a tablespoon, whatever you're baking is going to come out very salty. So you need to have measurements to make things right. We measure things to make sure that they are accurate and correct. Let's take if you're manufacturing. If you're not measuring things accurately, you could have false positives or even false negatives. Your product will go out to your customer and it's inferior. Recalls, lots of different problems that you can run in if things aren't reading the way you're supposed to. When you test something, you want to make sure that it's reading, the product you're doing is reading correctly. So you need to measure that equipment that you're testing with to make sure that what you're testing is correct. We measure to make sure everything is correct and that you get whatever you're getting, whether it be an end product, a drug, or making a cake. A cup is a cup. A volt is a volt, a nanosecond is a nanosecond.